Looking for the best mini chainsaw to make your pruning, trimming, and yard work easier in 2026? In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best mini chainsaws that deliver the perfect combination of power, portability, battery life, and cutting performance. Whether you're a homeowner, gardener, DIY enthusiast, or simply need a compact tool for quick cutting jobs, there's an option here for you. We've compared the latest models based on performance, safety features, durability, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the right mini chainsaw for your needs. Be sure to watch until the end to see which model earned our #1 spot. And if you want to check the latest prices or learn more about any of the products featured in this video, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started with the top 5 best mini chainsaws of 2026. Half 5, Tianese 6-inch. Take your cutting tasks to the next level with the Tianese 6-inch mini chainsaw, powered by a high-performance 880-watt pure copper motor that delivers an impressive 6,800 RPM and a blazing 28.6 feet per second chain speed. Designed for effortless tree trimming, garden maintenance, and firewood preparation, this lightweight 1.88-pound cordless chainsaw cuts through 6-inch logs in as little as 8 seconds. Its built-in automatic oiler ensures smooth operation and longer chain life, while the LED battery indicator keeps you informed of remaining power for uninterrupted work. Safety features such as the lock switch and anti-slip handle provide greater control and confidence during use. Perfect for homeowners, gardeners, DIY enthusiasts, seniors, and women, this all-in-one kit includes a battery, guide plate, extra chains, safety gloves, and goggles. Watch our YouTube video to see the Tianese mini chainsaw in action and discover why it's the ideal portable cutting tool for your outdoor projects. 4. Saker SK1804 DBX01NAT-U. The Saker mini chainsaw cordless is a powerful yet compact cutting tool designed for effortless pruning, trimming, and light-duty wood cutting. Equipped with a high-performance pure copper motor and a deeply quenched guide chain, it delivers faster, smoother, and more efficient cutting performance. Weighing only 1.1 kilograms, including the battery, this lightweight 4-inch mini chainsaw is easy to operate with one hand, making it ideal for homeowners, gardeners, seniors, and DIYers alike. The included 20-volt 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery provides reliable runtime for everyday tasks, while the safety lock, handguard, and protective cover help ensure safe operation. Quick to assemble in just 1 minute and easy to carry anywhere, this cordless chainsaw comes complete with a battery, charger, lubricating oil bottle, screwdriver, and wrench. Whether you're maintaining your garden, cutting branches, or looking for the perfect practical gift, the Saker mini chainsaw is a must-have tool. Watch the video for a full demonstration and operating guide. 3. Tietok MNCS 1118 experience powerful cutting performance with the Tietok cordless mini chainsaw, designed to make tree trimming, pruning, and garden maintenance faster, easier, and safer. Powered by an 880-watt high-efficiency motor, durable manganese steel chain, and convenient auto oiler system, this lightweight 3.3-pound mini chainsaw effortlessly cuts through branches up to 6 inches thick. Its compact cordless design makes it ideal for homeowners, gardeners, DIY enthusiasts, seniors, and women who want professional results without the bulk and hassle of traditional chainsaws. The built-in automatic lubrication system reduces chain wear for smoother operation, while the 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery delivers reliable performance for cutting jobs around the yard, farm, orchard, or campsite. Multiple safety features, including a security lock, protective baffle, and anti-slip handle, provide added confidence during use. Backed by a 365-day warranty and complete with essential accessories, the Tietok mini chainsaw is the perfect gift for dads, moms, gardeners, and homeowners. Watch our YouTube demonstration video to see its impressive cutting power, safety features, and real-world performance in action before you buy. 2. CPI MNCS 118 experience powerful cutting performance with the CPI 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw, engineered with an upgraded 880-watt pure copper motor that delivers an impressive chain speed of 28.6 feet per second, allowing you to cut through 6-inch logs in as little as 8 seconds. Its innovative auto oil filling system ensures smooth, efficient operation while reducing chain wear and extending runtime. Designed with portability in mind, this lightweight one-handed chainsaw is ideal for homeowners, gardeners, seniors, and women who need reliable cutting power without the bulk of traditional chainsaws. Equipped with two 21-volt 2000 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium batteries, it provides extended working time and hundreds of cuts per charge. Safety remains a top priority with a safety lock, protective baffle, anti-slip handle, safety goggles, and cut-resistant gloves included. The complete accessory kit comes neatly organized in a portable carrying case, making it perfect for pruning, tree trimming, firewood preparation, and outdoor projects. Watch our YouTube demonstration video to see the CPI mini chainsaw in action and discover why it's becoming the preferred choice for fast, safe, and effortless cutting. Backed by a 3-year warranty and responsive customer support, you can buy with confidence. 1. CC M6 Lite. Looking for a powerful yet lightweight chainsaw that makes cutting wood fast and effortless? The CCI Mini Cordless Chainsaw is engineered with a high-performance 900-watt motor and precision-hardened chain, delivering cutting speeds up to 30 feet per second and slicing through logs up to 15 centimeters thick in as little as 7 seconds. Weighing only 2.7 pounds, this one-handed chainsaw is perfect for women, seniors, DIY beginners, and anyone seeking comfort without sacrificing power. Equipped with two long-lasting 21-volt batteries, it provides up to 100 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for pruning, branch trimming, firewood cutting, and garden maintenance. Advanced safety features, including a double safety lock, chain guard, and low recoil design, ensure confident operation every time. Plus, the complete accessory kit means you can start working right out of the box. Watch our YouTube video demonstration to see the CC Mini Chainsaw in action and discover why it's becoming the go-to tool for homeowners, gardeners, and outdoor enthusiasts. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best mini chainsaws of 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect mini chainsaw for your pruning, trimming, and outdoor projects. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. All product links are available in the description below, where you can check the latest prices, customer reviews, and current deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.